Are you thinking of owning a house? Think no more. T&T Properties is your surest bet. We have been in the industry for 27 years, offering the Ghanaian populace the best in real estate development, asset and property management, and renovations of landed properties. Experience unrivaled community living at Ocean View Estate with a 2-story 4-bedroom wall plan of 110 homes in a gated community with features of a shopping center, Keep Fit gym, recreational center, and a 24-hour security. Discount offerings awaits you if you are willing to buy 2 or more houses. For details and inquiries, call 0302 264 885 or 0302 264 886. Ocean View Estates, your ultimate housing solution.